Takto to vyzerá asi približne, keď je totálna hmla, svetlá absolútne nič nepomáhajú. Nie, že ma takto zbadá na 200 metrov, ale teraz sledujte toto. Hopa, ešte lepšie v noci sa lepšie jazdí bez svetiel. No to som ešte nezažil teda. Sledujte to. A to ten blbý, dobrý, super mesiac. Vďaka nemu nepotrebujem svetla. Ale nemal by som takto riskovať. What do you think about this? Huh?
This is holy shit.
Holy shit, why?
I don't believe it. It's miracle.
Miracle?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
You drive better
Then
without lights than with lights.
Really?
Really?
You are ridiculously intelligent and clever.
Intelligent and clever is the same.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
My slamka is broken.
Slamka? What is it?
Slamka is long trubka. What you are usually used to drink with.
Yes. I know. I exactly know.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off or turn on?
Off.
I turned on. Off.
We are driving without lights.
Yes, you are
And-
right.
And it is more it is safer than with lights.
Yes.
Cause we see better without lights. Yes?
Yes, you can see.
Yes, now I see throat telephone that without lights is better.
Huh. But
Every word, every thought, every sound, every touch, every smile and every frown, all the pain we will dull into picture. Surrender. Ideš. Surrender. 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 A teraz, že stop.